Here we got the maintenance trolley. This is our first up trolley of the day. We got this with the 2 more trolleys, and then we're going home. Here it comes, a very special trolley. He's coming in. He's heading back to 69th Street from Drexel Junction. Coming in. He's the Scepter maintenance trolley. He's coming in. There's a number that's on the trolley.
He has a number?
He has a number.
Do they have a bunch of maintenance trucks?
No, this is the only one.
Well, then why do they have all different numbers then?
It's a random number. Here it comes. And here it is. Coming in to Drexel Park.
He's kind of slow, isn't he?
He's the maintenance trolley. There he is. There's a number is on here. It's maintenance trolley. $8.62. He's lots of heat on there.
Yeah? That is.
He's heading slowly back to 69th Street. That's right. It really has been. You got 2 days and then that's it. We got 2 more trolleys and then that's it. More trains northbound. Here we got just the next trolley coming in from Sharon Hill to 69th Street. Coming in the northbound train from 69th from Sharon Hill to 69th Street. And then we're gonna wait for the immediate train, the westbound immediate trolley, and then that will be it. But in the meantime, here is just the next step coming in across the line. We got trolley number 126, the Delaware County Community College car.
Moving from 69th Street, east
Yep, the westbound train. Catching this foot in the new train. Coming in, it's our last. Coming in, the west train, number 108, which is a flag car. Here we go. Yep. Alright, that's it. Go. That's proceed. Some extra buses of 87, Upper Darby bus, and Upper Darby bus 53. We also got the Interborough V11. There's just one student on there. Let's head out of here. Here comes more buses. This time we got already left. 25! Don't let it off. We got another bus. We'll wait for it and then we're going to Arbor Junction.